I received a package. It's the Xtand Smart Patella Band, and it's rechargeable. Could it be another ripoff? Without further, let's open the box first. There are 3 things in the box: the Smart Patella Band, charging cable, and an accessory strap. It's simple, without any unnecessary bells and whistles. The first feeling when holding it is very light and thin. It's much lighter than a regular patella band. It doesn't look like a smart brace at all. The workmanship is awesome. The outer layer is a superfiber fabric with strong support, and the inner layer is soft suede, which feels very comfortable. What surprises me most is the seamless design, without any extra, which means it won't rub against your leg. The charging is magnetic and can be sucked on. It's very convenient. Let's try it on. Follow the instruction close to the patella. It doesn't feel tight or loose when worn. The fit is just right. The sensitive feedback is true, unlike our knee or our loose, or it's loose and falls down. After it automatically, try to move it slightly. It can automatically recognize the movement in 1 or 2 seconds, and then adjust the pressure. It shows that as the recognition rate is 99.6 and 99% accuracy. To be honest, I didn't believe it at first, but after using it, it can indeed adjust pressure between 0 and 50k. I don't feel constricted during running, and it provides stable support during squats. It has sudden stops and buffers, and the knee pressure is much less. I use it for a watt. There is no deviation or displacement, which is much better than worn rate telegraphs. The battery life is It uses a Type-C charging port. Fully charges in 60 minutes. It can last for 2 to 6 hours under active use. Finally, a detail: Xtand itself is a company that makes exoskeleton robots. The brand has a strong technical base and many patents. It has sold over 3,000 orders in a month, with a 99% positive rate. These data speak louder than any words I say. So back to the question at the beginning: is the Xtand Smart Patella Band a waste of money? Obviously it is not. It can indeed protect your knees. Really protect your knees when you exercise. If you often exercise, want to protect your knees without being bowed. This product is worth a try. What do you think of patellar straps? Welcome to comment.